We're here today to celebrate the end of the Catalyst Cymru Broadening Horizons project, which is a project that has offered support to heritage organisations or organisations with a heritage project to widen their networks and diversify their audience and broaden their horizons.
There's no shortage of really good projects coming through, and it's always the case that when they start out, they need to bring in the fundraising, they need to do their governance. It's really important.
Everything that we need to have in order to actually progress, we have done with the help of Catalyst Cymru, really.
You kind of see your funding processes through outside eyes then, which isn't something that's really happened for us before. It's really bespoke and focused on you as an organisation, so that's always going to be incredibly helpful.
The mentoring led to us having a trustee handbook, and that has been an absolute godsend. When we initially brought in new trustees last September, it's enabled us to think in terms of the future about how we are going to sustain our project, but also the training, meeting people from a whole range of other organisations.
Getting that input to be able to apply and have confidence that we were putting in a bid that would reach the people who were assessing it was so important. Being able to sit down and create a technique and knowing what you include, how you change your language has definitely had a huge impact.
Some of these organisations are built wholly of volunteers. There's no pay packet at the end of it, so you can see the passions that they've brought in.
I think the highlight was feeling that I've been able to make a small difference to them.
It isn't just museums and libraries that are keeping our heritage, it's everybody.